Roadmap to become an AI researcher. What does an AI researcher do? An AI researcher builds new algorithms, models, and ideas that push the boundaries of artificial intelligence. More than just coding, this role is not just about programming, but about deep thinking, experimentation, and solving complex problems. Start with mathematics. Build a strong foundation in linear algebra, probability, statistics, and calculus, as they power every AI model. Learn core AI and machine learning. Understand how algorithms work, how models learn from data, and how their performance is evaluated. Master deep learning. Focus on neural networks, computer vision, and transformer models that drive modern AI systems. Choose your specialization. Explore areas like natural language processing, computer vision, or generative AI based on your interest. Develop research skills. Learn to read academic papers, ask meaningful questions, design experiments, and test new ideas. Use the right tools. Work with tools like Python, PyTorch, TensorFlow, and Jupyter Notebook to build and experiment with models. Build your research profile. Publish papers, contribute to open source projects, and participate in research communities. Be ready for challenges. Research involves slow progress, complex problems, and continuous learning. Think like a researcher. Stay curious, think critically, and always explore new possibilities. Create the future of AI. Start your journey today and become someone who doesn't just use AI, but creates it.